How to duplicate a page in WordPress. To duplicate a page in WordPress, you can use a straightforward method involving a plugin or perform it manually. The easiest way is to install a plugin like Duplicate Page. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New, and search for Duplicate Page. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, navigate to Pages and hover over the page you wish to duplicate. You will see a new option labeled Duplicate This. Click on it, and a duplicate of the page will be created as a draft, which you can then edit as needed. If you prefer a manual approach, open the page you want to copy, select All Content, and use the copy function, Ctrl+C. Then, create a new page and paste the content, Ctrl+V, into it. Remember to update the permalink to avoid duplicates in your URL structure. This method allows you to efficiently replicate pages without losing any original formatting or settings.